Good morning, students. This is Sneha, your mathematics teacher. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about the angles and different types of angles. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about different pairs of related angles. Pairs means two, means we are going to discuss how two angles are related to each other. They are classified. How they are classified? So, this is the classification. So complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angle, linear pair and vertically opposite angles. So one by one we will discuss all these different pairs of related angles. So in all these angles we are going to discuss about the two angles, how they are related to each other. So first of all, complementary angles, two angles. Remember the word, two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. अगर उनका sum 90 degree होगा, then that two angles are known as complementary angles. Bachcha, don't get confused in the acute angle and complementary angle. Acute angles are the angles whose measure is less than 90, जो 90 डिग्री से कम होते हैं. बट complementary angles are those angle whose sum is 90 degree. Let us just check. For example, if you have two angles, angle A is of measure 25 degree, angle B is of measure 65 degree, and you have to identify, or you have to check whether they are complementary angles or not. So we will just go by the definition. We will check their sum. If sum comes out to be 90 degree, then yes, complementary. If sum doesn't comes out to be 90 degree, then no, not complementary degree. So let's just add their measure, that is angle A plus angle B. So angle A is of measure 25 degree, angle B is of measure 65 degree. 25 plus 65, 90 degree. Since their sum is 90 degree, that means angle A and angle B are complementary angles. You can say then the another word, angle A is complement to B, or angle B is complement to A. Okay, now come to let's another type, that is supplementary angles. So complementary में sum 90 degree होता था, right? But two angles are said to be supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. अगर उनका sum 180 degree आएगा, mark the word sum बच्चा. If sum comes out to be 180 degree, then those two angles will be known as supplementary angles. Let us take one more example. If you have angle C, which is of measure 125 degree, and angle D, which is of measure 55 degree, and you have to check C and D are supplementary angles to each other or not. So how we will do? We will check their sum. So angle C plus angle D. Angle C is of measure 125. Angle D is of measure 55 degree. 125 plus 55, 180 degree. Since sum is 180 degree, that's why angle C and angle D are supplementary angles. Okay, so now come to another type, that is adjacent angles. So adjacent angle as a specific definition, which is as follows. Two angles are said to be adjacent. Adjacent angle if they have a common vertex. In the previous video bacha, we have discussed this term vertex. If they have common vertex, first condition. Second condition, if they have common arm, we have also discussed this term arm. And third condition is that non common arms, means जो arms common नहीं है, are on the either side of common arm. Either side of common arm. व्हाट डज दैट मीन बच्चा? मीन्स दो एंगल्स को हम एडजेसेंट एंगल कहेंगे इफ दे हैव कॉमन वर्टेक्स, कॉमन आर्म। एक कॉमन आर्म होनी चाहिए, एक कॉमन वर्टेक्स होना चाहिए, एंड द रिमेनिंग नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स शुड बी ईदर साइड ऑफ कॉमन आर्म. Let us check beta. For example, if you have this kind of figure, vertex is here O, A, B and C, right? If you want to check that this angle AOB and angle BOC, they are adjacent angle or not. So how you will check? You will check by the simple definition. They have common vertex AOB BOC. Yes, they have a common vertex, that is O. So first condition is satisfied. Do they have common arm? Means common side है क्या angles की? Yes, OB is a common arm. AOB में भी OB arm है, BOC में भी OB arm है. So OB is our common arm. So second condition be satisfied. Now let us check the third condition, non common arms. यानी कि जो arm common नहीं है. कौन सी arm common नहीं है? OA and OC. ये common नहीं है दोनों में. किन दोनों में बच्चा? एंगल AOB में और एंगल BOC में. OA और OC कॉमन नहीं है. आर दे ऑन द आइदर साइड ऑफ कॉमन आर्म? OB कॉमन आर्म है. क्या इन दोनों के साइड में है? यस, OB के साइड में एक साइड OA है और एक साइड OC है. Means third condition is also satisfied. That means angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angle. Bachcha, don't get confused. You just have to check the definition one by one. Okay, now let us consider the another type, that is linear pair. Linear pair is basically the sub part of this adjacent angle. So two adjacent angles will be known as linear pair if the non common arms are two opposite rays. मीन्स पहले तो ये अपोजिट साइड में होने चाहिए थे, ये कह रहा था एडजेसेंट एंगल में, बट लीनियर पेयर में नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स शुड बी टू अपोजिट रेज. व्हाट डज दैट मीन बच्चा? सपोज इफ यू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ फिगर, okay, you want to check this angle and this angle, do they form linear pair or not? So you will check by the definition. First of all, they should be adjacent angle, they have common vertex, done, they have common arm, done. Now for linear pair जो non common arms है, non common arms यहाँ पे अब क्या है? OB and OC, they are opposite to be each other, and they are opposite. OB is going this side, OC is going this side, so they are opposite to each other. So angle AOB and angle AOC are linear pair, or you can say they form a linear pair. In the simple words, you can also say that if non common arms lie along the line, अगर जो दो non common arms है वो line के along, means एक straight line के along अगर lie करते हैं दो non common lines, non common arms, then these angles will form linear pair of angles. Now let us consider the last type, that is vertically opposite angle. So two angles are said to be vertically opposite angles. So for this, when two lines intersect, what do you mean by the intersect? Means एक point पर cut हो रही हैं. When two lines, suppose this is my one line and this is my second line. When two lines intersect, means cut at one point, then the angles opposite to each other. As the word indicate opposite, means the angles which are opposite to each other, they will be known as vertical opposite angle. You can see this. this angle and this angle, these are opposite to each other. When two lines intersect, that means these angles are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, this angle and this angle, they are also opposite to each other. That's why these pair are also form vertically opposite angles. So these are the different pairs of related angles. Don't get confused, just read the definition one by one and try to understand it. So thank you very much.